So we're gonna start with a simple bass drum and quite a dumb ride. It's just the Logic's internal drum synth using kind of standard settings, the default preset and the ride preset. So let's start with the bass drum and add some drive. We're using the new sequence, the effect kind, and that's what I'm showing up here, so that will be for every effect. So let's add a bit of codec and then some spectral movement as well as some stereo movement. And then one of my favorite is tension reactor. When I run it this fast, you can't really hear it as a spring reverb. It's just getting the noise of the spring settings changing. And then a bit of a frequency modulated harmonic dissector. Let's add a bit of multi-delay to that. And finally some multiband processing, both saturation and compression. And then I have a bus with two instances of a geometry reverb and then some rhythmic processing from binaural modulator and frequency agility. Let's do the same with that ride. And let's add a pad to it from Partials Discrepancies. And again, a bit of effect. And finally, let's add a lead from curves and membranes and the new node mode. So a bit of delay and tension reactor again, and a bit of frequency agility, the harmonic dissector having a smooth or sweep thing.